This is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're getting a couple of views here. One, we're getting a better idea of the amount of damage and dry rot, and also this is the layout of the original railing system. So they used a stanchion system, and they had to waterproof each of these. They had some areas that look like they've leaked. So we had a post in a corner here, a post at a 45-degree angle here. And if we go with a fascia mount, we're going to have to put a post here using a stanchion, and then do a fascia mount to pick up this leg here. And you can take a look at how they spaced this out before. So on this run, essentially 1, 2, 3 posts, if you want to call it that. And that was at a 45. And then over here, including this, I'm double counting, but 1, 2, 3 posts there. And that's at a 45. This, they made the 45 by turning the second post here. So you can see 1 post, 2 posts, 3 posts, 4, 5, 6, 7. Over here, they doubled up for the turn. And I'm guessing they didn't use a 45-degree post like that one out there because there was probably too much tension carrying all the way around, and they wanted to isolate it to shorter runs. So there's 2 posts there, another post there. There's a post at a, is that at a 45-degree angle? Yeah, looks like it was a 45-degree post there, as opposed to 2 posts. And then back, oop, I don't want to walk on this and fall through. Then you can see, by the way, the extensive dry rot here. This was never framed properly. It essentially was flat, and all the water accumulated over time because the membrane failed. We won't go into it. They put the wrong product underneath the tile deck, and the framing on the wall, the top plates, all completely rotted out. So this is not uncommon of a failed tile deck and all the issues that go along with it. And you can see, by the way, all the dry rot that's in there, and it's quite a project we're gonna have to do to pull it all apart, and the beams rotted out there. So careful over there, Fernando. And you've got that post there, and then there's another post at that corner right there, and it looks like it had the other post there. You can see it from the original video. So that was kind of the original post layout, and whether we go back with surface mounted or fascia, this gives you an idea of what's going on. And then the other issue we have is pretty much at all of the corners and the angles and the post, you can see the metal brackets that were fabricated. So it's going to make it extremely difficult to fascia mount into those. And what we're contemplating is putting like a 4x8 beam mounted to the face of this, and bolting it all into the existing beam, covering over the metal brackets that are there, and then that beam that we bolt on will essentially become one with the beam that's there. But what that allows us to do is it now gives us a surface to go ahead and fascia mount everything here, and we could possibly go up to a 6x8. So we're gonna have to take a look at what we do there. Anyway, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with another view of our project, and I'm going to be careful where I step. The guys were happy that nobody fell through yesterday, because what you can see, let's see if I can find a place. I'm safe there, but if I came over here, yeah, you can see this is all, look at that. Whoop. That's how bad the rot is. Okay, we'll keep you posted. And there's a view of the railing system here as it came up from the stairs, and there's downlights that are on the post, and these are actually fascia mounted. They've got 2 bolts over here, and the intermediate span post is also fascia mounted. Okay, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, and again, we'll keep you posted. Thank you very much.